Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A related issue that can cause vibration is worn CV, constant velocity, joints. When this happens, the CV joint will sustain damage over time due to loss of the lubricating grease and due to the entry of dirt and debris. Damaged CV joints can produce suspension vibration in your car, and will need to be replaced. 28 May 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
4 signs of a bad CV axle half shaft. Clicking, noises when turning. A knocking sound. Grease on the inside or edge of the tires. The CV axle joint has boots that contain grease while the axle spins, keeping it from leaking. Vibration while driving. This is a tricky one, since there are many things that could cause vibration when you drive.
Let's help you make your mark.
The most common symptom of a bad CV joint is clicking noise when turning or accelerating. Click, click, click noise when turning. Cracks or breaks in the rubber or plastic boot that surrounds the CV joint. Grease leaking from cracks onto the wheel rim or inside the wheel well. 10 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
A CV joint itself can cost between $95 and $210. Hiring a mechanic to perform a replacement will be between $165 and $800. The price mainly depends on whether you're replacing a double or single axle. 27 May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.